Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bawdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy corsage in the Mini Bowdabra. So let's get started. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is take some of my Bawdabra bow wire, and I'm going to need a little bit longer piece because I'm going to have to tie this onto my wristlet. So I'm just going to fold it in half, lay it down into my Mini Bowdabra, and tuck the ends underneath. Tuck the ends underneath. You can see there's nothing underneath. I'm just tucking the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. And like the big Bowdabra, there's springs under here, so it's automatically going to adjust to whatever I put into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my leaf here, lay that down, and take this here. Actually, I think I'm going to take this leaf first, lay that down in there. Then I'm going to take another one and lay that down in my Mini Bowdabra. And I'm going to take this leaf here and lay this in. And lay this going in here. And then I'm going to take my flowers and lay these flowers going this way, I think. And then put my leaves in here. Just have them going that way. And then I'm going to take my roses and lay those going this direction. Then I'm going to take my tails and I'm just going to lay those down into my Mini Bowdabra. And we are using this beautiful burlap ribbon to give it the rustic feel. And we're going to just twist it and fold it back over. And then I'm going to twist and fold it back over here and twist. And just fold it over again, and I'm going to fold it one more time and just lay that into my Mini Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is take some of my ribbon, and this will match the bridal bouquet and the bridesmaid's bouquet that we already made. And this would be great for the mother of the bride, a beautiful corsage. So we're going to lay this down, or it would even work for prom. And I've got pretty much this Bowdabra as full as it possibly can be. So I'm going to now just have to hold that in a little bit with my fingers. Bring up my Bawdabra bow wire, pull it through the slip knot. Now I'm going to push my bow down really tight and pull it really tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra. Now I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back. And tie it really tight and tie a knot. Oops, let's get that out of there. I'm going to tie a knot, and then I'm going to take my wristlet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here and bring it down through the wristlet. Then I'm going to bring the wire back up on the other side about maybe 3 purls over, and bring that through. And once that gets through, then I'm going to tie it on this side of the wristlet so it won't be against somebody's wrist. And we're going to tie a knot, or now I'm going to double tie a knot and get that knotted there. Whoops, everything's getting in my way here. Okay, tie a knot there. And now I'm going to clip my wires really close. And now I'm just going to shape out my bow. Just going to shape that there. Bring my loops going a little bit in opposite directions. Have them here. And bring this down. And just put that on. And you have this beautiful, super, super easy to make corsage. So don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video.